Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you follow us on Facebook and Instagram, you'd have seen already that the chain harrows have been painted. Let's have a little look. You're just tidying them up? Finishing off. They do look good. He's also given the cab of the 651 a little coat of paint as well. I didn't think he was going to do this. He's filled a few holes in as well. He just wants to protect it. There we go. We're going to come back to the cab in a bit, guys. We're going to do another video on that. Now, who here likes this cockerel? Come on, guys. Anyone in Pembrokeshire who likes this cockerel? He's a mixed breed. We're not quite sure what he is. He's silky, bantam, we're not sure. If you like him, he's a nice chap. You can have him, free of charge. All you got to do is come and get him. So Dad wants this cab tidying up. And that's got quite a bit of rust on it, as you'll see there. So it needs a good sanding, and it'll want a coat of paint to protect it. Seems to be a lot of the stuff we're doing at the minute, sanding and painting. Let's go. So we don't want to open up holes, which makes it a lot harder. So I've given it a real light nib down, and the rest is going to have to be done by hand, just to smooth it off and hit any areas where there are holes opening up, like here and here. So there's a hole there, tiny one there. Onto a wire brush, just up in these grooves where I can't get with the sander. So this is the cab that's going to be going on a four-wheel drive Renault. So where the old glass was, the silicone holding it in place is still there. So that now has to be rubbed out as well. And the wire brush seems to take it off quite nicely, which is good. You just see it flaking off the way there. So we do have a lot more bits for this cab, as you will have seen in one of the videos when it turned up. It's just been stripped down, ready for cleaning up and painting. So if you want to hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, drop me a comment, come and get him, guys. My brother's not wanted him. He's just hatched a bunch, so he's going to end up with more cockerels anyway. So if you want him, come and get him. So we told you, I think we told you, we got some parts for the baler. Now the baler's obviously hiding under there. I'm not going to cover it all, Dad's covered it all up. And the other day, right, you see that fresh coat of paint there on the front of the baler. Now under here, do you remember we had the video, disaster strikes twice on the farm? And what happened is, whilst going around the field, the bearing snapped and it damaged all the housing, the whole lot. Well, we have sourced the parts for it, so Dad has actually put them on there. I would show you, but I didn't record it and I'm not going to uncover it. So he's changed all the bearing, he's changed the housing, we've got another PTO shaft as well, we've got the whole lot. So he's changed that, ready. We're preparing for summer, getting everything sorted out and organised. Nothing to update on the Leyland. Just going to sit there for now, but it does run, as you've seen. Got a battery in there, so we've done the ignition as well. Mainly now it's just going to be tin work. We'll get onto that. Massey, a lot of comments about the Massey still. 600 quid for injectors. Might wait, see if we can get some cheaper ones. Maybe you guys know where I can get them. I've tried a few people, but I'm not really getting anywhere with them. Some of them, like, we might have them, might not have them, or we get silly prices and they haven't tested them. Like, if you're gonna sell me new ones, at least test them. If they're not tested, I ain't buying brand new ones, I'll buy second-hand ones. So as regards to scrap, we've got, so that is from one run. We've got, I think, 2 more runs to clear out. These are just the sort of the framework around the sides there. But before we do anything with that, Dad has shown me here there's plastic in them and that all has to come out. So he wants this all cutting down neatly and tidying up, and then more drawing out, and then we'll get rid of that scrap and start gutting that building out. But again, we know that takes time. These silkies, this is an interesting one. So they obviously had a stillborn, so mummy hen left it out here somewhere. There's a lot of blood and whatnot. Quite a shame at the minute. Oh, there's a little one there just in the doorway. It's quite cute. So chains are all folded out up here in the yard, and in the distance on yonder you won't see, but there is a bunch of canes in the field, and no, it's not trees being planted. Dad's got himself a little just a little handheld sprayer going around spraying some of the docks, thistles and stuff to get rid of that. So yeah, there's stuff going on. Oh, horse box is empty finally, so hopefully we can in the next well, millennial, whenever we get onto it, get actually fitting the floor properly in the horse box. Got about 30 black sacks full of hay out of that. They were all broken down, it was annoying. You can see the mess still, but it's nice that the ground's all dried up now. I'm just glad she's now emptied out. So there's the floor as far as we got. It's not actually fitted in. You can see it needed oh god, it needs cutting down, but again, get that cut down, make a panel fit in here, and then the next progress will be trying to get 2 composting toilets in the back end there, fit some kind of partition walls, and hopefully put a shower maybe here, and you sort of step in, you can change here, maybe try and make some kind of locking mechanism in the door, maybe just even a latch with this door. But then there might be holes. But I don't really know what we're going to do with the system yet. I mean, depends if you're going to get peeping toms. I don't think that's going to work. We'll probably have to fit another door in there just to make it more protected, and on obviously that other side as well. To make sure that everyone feels safe in the environment that they are using. So again, it's all time, it's planning. The ideas are there in the head, it's putting them into practice. So I don't think there's anything else to show you right now. Dad's messing around with the tractor. I think he's going to take water up and carry on with his spraying. Cab's had a little sand around most of it now. All around the sides here, all around the back end, up the top and round. Just needs to do on the inside now. That can't even go on the tractor anyway, because the 651, the rear hydraulics don't work. By don't work I mean they're stuck. We've tried putting weight on, they're not moving, so we've got to split the back end. And I'm just trying to think, because we haven't had a conversation about this in ages. We think there's something in, I think it's a I'm going to say it's a ram or a seal, something like that, guys. I can't remember. We had this conversation months back. Something like a ram or a seal needs doing, and hopefully it should start working again. So that is coming up. It's one of the jobs to do. So yeah, right, thanks for watching, guys. Please follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell for notifications of these videos coming out. Lots is going on now. That sounds weird. Shout out, there's your cockerel, guys. Come on, who wants him? Lovely guy, got a nice little nice little crow. I don't know what you want to call it. See if he goes again. No, he's not going to go again. Right, so yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care. There he goes again.